We want to remove the 12% VAT in electricity. Alisin po natin ang 12% VAT. That will immediately lower the price of electricity in this country. Kanina po tinanong kayo ano yung affordable, and you ventured to say na siguro 10 pesos per kilowatt hour. Sinabi po niyo na kasi sa ibang bansa, you cannot even compare the rates dahil sa subsidized. At dito naman sa atin, tinatax pa nga ang kuryente. We have filed several measures, Madam Secretary. For example, we want to remove the 12% VAT in electricity. Will you support that, Mr. Secretary?
Mr. Chair, as Secretary of Department of Energy, any measure that will lower electricity rates, we will support, Mr. Chair. If it removes the taxes, we will support. Our mandate is to have affordable electricity. Then we will support any measure that will
Because we want to support you. We want to help you. Pag inalis po natin ang 12% VAT, immediately talagang bababa ang presyo ng elektrisidad and our people will benefit. Kaya meron po kaming panukalang batas para talagang maging mababa para sa mga kababayan natin, lalo na yung mahihirap. Magtamasa sila ng kyusyon sa taas ng elektrisidad. Ang mungkahi po namin, yung lahat ng mga households na gumagasta ng 234 kilowatt hours, ilibre na po natin yon. Yun ang pinaka-practical na subsidy. So, Madam Chair, we will help you. But you will help us. If you can convince the President of the Philippines na isama po natin sa LEDAC yung dalawang measures na sinasabi namin. Alisin po natin ang 12% VAT. That will immediately lower the price of electricity in this country.